Hey guys, it's Mike.
Steven.
Narc Selected Customs. Want to say thank you so much. We crossed 1,000 subscribers.
Finally.
I went on vacation with the wife and kids, and the people we stayed with the first 2 nights were our 999 and 1,000 subscribers. So we appreciate Latricia and Dean.
Cute.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So, all right. So to celebrate, we're going to do a bunch of random burnout top videos, fun stuff that we've done leading up to now. And we're getting really close to our 400th video upload. So that's pretty awesome too.
It's awesome on your part.
Yeah, we've done a bunch of video. Tons more coming. Tons and tons of projects.
A lot of fun stuff coming.
Yeah, we're gonna kind of transition from install videos to fun.
Yeah.
We're gonna take you guys along for the ride. So, all right, thanks again. Really appreciate it. Daily updates, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, every Tuesday and Friday night here on YouTube at 7 p.m. All right, thanks.
Thanks, guys.
Yee-hoo! We're at 3 miles an hour. I think it's a little slow. That's catching up.
I want to hit a cone.
All right, so we're coming up on it. Hey, we're gonna do 100. Hell yeah. Hey. Okay. 118. Yeah. But this car is our first car to purchase from Copart, and I'm kind of excited. It's a 2000. All right, guys, thanks a bunch. We really appreciate it. I'm leaving you to it. See new videos every Tuesday and Friday at 7 p.m. Catch us daily on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Thanks.